Guys, when you're doing arts and craft, your arts and craft box can get really, really full. And you'll have a lot of things sitting around your home before you know it. So that was happening to me. So what I decided to do was upgrade some of the things I already had around my home with the things I already had in my craft box, and also make some things. So sit back, relax, and see what I have come up with using stuff I already had in my craft box. All right, guys, as you see, I have a color scheme going on in my room, and one of the things that I use out of my craft box with inexpensive things were materials to upgrade this hamper. All right, I got my laundry hamper, and what I'm gonna do is try to do something with it. All right, so I got the handles wrapped with the dollar store rope. Here's some material that I had from my headboard that I made. So I'm just going to fold this, and I'm just going to wrap it around here. So let's see if we can use this to go around that area. All right, guys, now I'm just looking for stuff that I can use. The other thing I have is these like mats, and I got 2 of them. I could put them up like this, so I'm gonna try to take the thread loose. And now we just got to decorate the top of this thing. And we will be done using things just from around the house. This is material left over from me making a headboard. These right here, these things right here are mats from Walmart that I had at the house already. And if you look close, the black and white is nothing but Dollar Tree rope that I wrapped around the hamper. As you see, my scheme is brown, black, and white in my room.